What is happening, everyone? We have another reset. Today we're doing a BLU G44. So if you have one of these, you have a pin, password, pattern, whatever you got going on, and you forgot what it is and have to do a hard reset, this is how you can do it. Just a heads up, guys, when you do a hard reset, you will delete all the data off the phone. So if you have anything important like pictures and other stuff, just note that it will be deleted off the phone, and keep that in mind when you're doing this. It's kind of like a last resort. Also, we got a ton more hard resets and teardowns coming up, so if you guys haven't yet, we'd appreciate it if you'd subscribe, but otherwise we'll get right into this. You have make sure the phone's off. You can either pull the battery or turn the phone off. In this case, the phone's already off. You have your volume up, volume down, and power buttons right there. We're going to hold volume down and power at the same time. And with blues, it can be a little bit odd sometimes, so I think this one just takes a minute to really get into the reset, so just keep holding. Hold. And basically when it turns on, you can let go of the power button and but keep holding the volume down. There we go. So I keep holding volume down. And then it brings us to our reset menu. And we want to use the volume buttons to scroll and the power button to select. So we'll scroll down to wipe data factory reset. Hit the power button, and then it wants us to confirm. We'll confirm. We'll start deleting the data. And once it's all done, so then we can just hit the power button to either reboot or scroll down to power off. In this case, we'll just reboot it, so we'll just hit the power button to reboot. And that is how we do a hard reset on a BLU G44. I really like this orange color. It's kind of cool. Otherwise, guys, if you have any questions, just drop a comment and we'll try to get back to you as soon as we can. And, thanks for watching. We'll catch you on the next one.